Hello Creative Gems, welcome to Creativity. Today we are going to make a three-piece set of beautiful vases. Each will only cost a couple of dollars to make, but everyone will think you purchased them at a high-end store. First off is this round vase. It has the look of glass, but it actually is made of very thick acrylic. This vase, along with the outer two pieces I will show you later on in the tutorial, were all found at the Dollar Tree. To begin, we are going to take some rhinestone ribbon and wrap it around the vase. This ribbon was purchased on Amazon, and if you would like to order a roll, I will leave a link to my Amazon store in the description box. This ribbon comes with a very strong self-adhesive backing, so no additional glue is required. It can also be cut to size. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank you for tuning in to today's craft project. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my glam home decor DIYs. And if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up as well. Your support will help me continue providing you with more amazing and creative craft tutorials. Next, we are going to cut out some silver card trim, also from Amazon, and trim the bottom edge of the vase. This item is also available on Amazon through my link that I'll leave below. Next, we will be making a base for this vase to sit on. We'll be using one of these silver square bowls. This one came in a 4-pack from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it comes with a mirror-like finish. You can leave the bowl as it is quite pretty already, but I'm going to go the extra mile to add more embellishments to it, starting with some more silver card trim followed by a single row of the same rhinestone ribbon from earlier to match the vase. Once the base is embellished to your liking, turn it upside down and add a bit of hot glue to the bottom before adhering it to the bottom of the vase. And a little tip to make sure the base is centered to the vase, you can use the tiny little round circle on the center bottom of the bowl and line it up with the tiny little round circle on the bottom of the vase. And just like that, our first piece is finished. You can see here I have chosen to place a battery-operated LED candle inside it. It fits just perfectly. This piece was actually inspired by a set of Victoria hurricane vases I saw at Z Gallery, which regularly retails at $19.95 for the smaller one and $29.95 for the larger one. Mine cost under $3 to make. For our second piece, we will have a similar vase that is more on the square side. To embellish this vase, we are going to take some of this silver ribbon sticker trim and place it around the vase, around 2/3 of the way down, just like the first vase we made. Once again, we are going to take some silver card trim, and this time we will adhere it to the top rim of the vase. And here we are going to embellish another silver square bowl for the base, but this one is one size up from the one we embellished earlier. We'll use the same card trim, and you'll see later that we are going to square each corner off with a single silver bead. And here I'm going to go in with the same silver beading, and we are going to apply it just above the card trim just for some extra embellishments. And here I'm going to apply some hot glue to the bottom of the bowl before adhering it to the vase. And here's the final look for our second vase. This one I have left empty for the time being, but let me know in the comments how you think I should fill it up. For our third piece, we are going to be embellishing this tall, narrow vase. For the shape of this vase, it is square on the bottom and narrow at the bottom as well, and then it gradually gets wider as you near the opening of the vase. To embellish this vase, we are going to create some vines that will attach to the vase. To do that, we are going to use this silicone mold I found on Amazon and apply some hot glue into the mold. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description box to my Amazon store in case you want to purchase one for your craft projects as well. Once the hot glue has cooled, the glue shapes can be easily removed from the molds. I wasn't sure how many pieces I needed, so I just made a whole bunch. As you saw, it doesn't take long to inject the glue into the molds, and it only takes a minute or so for the glue to cool down so you can peel the pieces out. Before we build our vine, we'll want to put some color on them. For my vines, I will stick with a silver theme and paint them with a silver metallic marker. If you don't have markers on hand, you can opt for silver metallic paint or any paint color of your choice. Now comes the fun part. We are going to experiment with the placement of the vine on the vase. You'll see here that inside my vase there is some tissue paper that I did not yet remove. I purposely kept it in there as I like the way the shape of the paper was made inside the vase, so I'm going to follow the curved line at the top of the tissue as a guide for placing the vines. Once you have a general idea of how you want to position the vine, it is time to glue the vine pieces together so you have a single piece to work with. And then once you have a vine that is long enough, it's time to adhere it to the vase with some hot glue. I love working with the hot glue vine pieces because it is very flexible and can be bent into the shape or position that you prefer. And if you make a mistake or change your mind, you can easily break off the pieces and reposition them. And feel free to get creative while decorating this vase. You could also add some small butterfly wooden cutout pieces or flower pieces to the vine as well. And here's what the vase looks like so far. It's so pretty and I love how the vine curves and slants around the vase. Now I'm going to go into the bottom edge of the vase with the same silver card trim we used on the other two pieces earlier so that they all match. I'm also going to add a string of the same silver beaded necklace we used earlier for the second vase. And for the base, it will be the matching square silver bowl with the same silver beaded necklace trimming the edge of the bowl. And here's the final look for our third piece. I have put some flowers inside this vase and I think it looks absolutely exquisite and quite unique. And here is what the three-piece set looks like together. Since they're all clear vases trimmed with silver embellishments, they look really nice together. But they can also look equally beautiful if you choose to place each piece in a separate area of the home. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like best. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming glam home decor DIYs.